Hello, my name is Mr. LabVIEW. Welcome to my channel. So happy to see you here today. So today we are going to learn some more programming. Yippee! So let's go.
So in this video we will see how LabVIEW organizes files and folders in its main path. So let's go to the folder where LabVIEW is installed, which is installed in Program Files, National Instruments, and LabVIEW 2019. First we will look at the libraries. The first library is user.lib. This is the directory in which we can save controls and VIs we create. LabVIEW displays controls and user control palettes and VIs on the user libraries palette. Let's go and see that. So this library or controls present here can be seen. Let's create a new VI. They are seen on the front panel on the user controls and on the block diagram on the user lib or the user libraries folder. So if you place your own code in this folder and you upgrade LabVIEW or reinstall it, then your original files are not affected. They remain where they are and they are then imported into the new version. The next library is called vi.lib, and it contains libraries of built-in VIs which LabVIEW displays in related groups on the functions palette. And the functions palette these libraries are the ones which you are getting from vi.lib. The third library is the instruments library. Let's go to instrument library. So instrument drivers etc. are stored here, and they are libraries installed in instrument.lib are visible when you right click on the block diagram and go to the instrument IO palette. Different drivers and the code they provide are available in this palette. After the libraries, let's go to the other folders. In the menus, these contain the LabVIEW file which are used to configure the structure of the controls and functions palettes. All these goes here, the menu files etc. The resource folder, it contains additional support files for the LabVIEW application. You should not save your own files in this folder because LabVIEW will override this folder when it is upgraded or you reinstall LabVIEW. In the project folder, it contains files that become items on the LabVIEW's tool menu over here. The project templates folder contains starting points for common LabVIEW design patterns that you customize with the Create Project dialog box, which you get when you go to File menu and you say select create project. So these templates, project templates, are coming from this folder. Let's go to templates. So these are the vi templates which you launch from file and new. So these templates are coming from this folder. Next is the wizard folder, which is by default not present, and this folder contains files that become items on the LabVIEW file menu. Next is the www. This is the folder for web browser, location for HTML files that you can access through the web browser interface. Then for learning and instruction, there is this examples folders. The files contained here are visible when you launch help and then you go to find examples. So these examples are coming from this, being populated from this folder. Next is the folders for documentation. The first one is manuals. These manuals are documentation PDFs. Then there is the help folder. This is the folder that is launched. Items from this folder are launched when you call LabVIEW help. So files from that folder are the ones that are loaded in this section. Next and the last one is the Readme folder. This folder contains the LabVIEW Readme file for any modules or toolkits you have installed, and you can access them here in your browser.